Welcome back to Smart Currency Tube. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of crypto investing and exploring its relevance in today's financial landscape. With cryptocurrencies gaining traction and becoming a significant part of many investment portfolios, understanding how to navigate this space is more important than ever. In this episode, we'll cover essential crypto investing strategies that can help you make informed decisions, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out. We'll break down the basics of cryptocurrencies, discuss the different types of digital assets available, and highlight key strategies for investing wisely. From understanding market trends to recognizing the importance of diversification, we'll equip you with the knowledge you need to approach crypto investing with confidence. Our goal is to make this topic engaging and accessible for everyone, regardless of your prior experience with investing. We believe that with the right information, anyone can learn to manage their finances better and make smart investment choices. As we navigate through this episode, we'll emphasize the importance of understanding crypto investments not just for potential profit, but also for effective spending and budget management. In a world where financial literacy is crucial, knowing how to incorporate cryptocurrencies into your financial strategy can empower you to take control of your financial future. So, let's get started and unlock the potential of crypto investing together. Cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security, making it difficult to counterfeit or double spend. The underlying technology that powers cryptocurrencies is called blockchain, a decentralized ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This innovative technology ensures transparency and security, which are crucial in building trust among users. In recent years, we've witnessed a remarkable rise in digital currencies, with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others capturing the attention of investors and the general public alike. This surge has significantly impacted traditional finance, challenging established banking systems and payment methods. Cryptocurrencies offer an alternative to conventional currencies, enabling peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries. This shift has the potential to democratize finance, providing access to financial services for those who are unbanked or underbanked. As the landscape of finance continues to evolve, it's essential for investors to stay informed about the latest trends in the cryptocurrency market. Understanding market dynamics, regulatory changes, and technological advancements can help you make more informed investment decisions. The volatility of cryptocurrencies can be daunting, but being knowledgeable about the space can empower you to navigate it effectively. When it comes to investing in cryptocurrencies, understanding the fundamental principles is crucial for success. First, let's talk about wallets. A cryptocurrency wallet is a digital tool that allows you to store, send, and receive your digital assets securely. There are different types of wallets, including hardware wallets, which are physical devices, and software wallets, which are applications or online services. Choosing the right wallet is essential for protecting your investments. Next, we have exchanges. These platforms facilitate the buying and selling of cryptocurrencies. Some popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Each exchange has its own features, fees, and security measures, so it's important to choose one that aligns with your investment goals. Market capitalization is another key concept to understand. It refers to the total value of a cryptocurrency, calculated by multiplying its current price by the total supply of coins in circulation. This metric can help you gauge the relative size and stability of different cryptocurrencies. While the potential rewards of crypto investing can be significant, it's important to recognize the risks involved. The market is known for its volatility, and prices can fluctuate dramatically in a short period. Therefore, it's essential to approach crypto investments with caution and a clear strategy. Before diving in, we encourage you to conduct thorough research. Familiarize yourself with the projects behind the cryptocurrencies you're interested in, understand their use cases, and stay updated on market trends. By doing so, you'll be better equipped to make informed investment decisions in the ever-evolving world of crypto. To enhance your crypto investment approach, it's essential to adopt actionable strategies that can help you navigate this dynamic market effectively. One of the most important principles is diversification. Just like in traditional investing, spreading your investments across different cryptocurrencies can reduce risk. By holding a mix of established coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum alongside promising altcoins, you can protect your portfolio from the volatility of any single asset. Another effective strategy is dollar cost averaging, DCA. This method involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the asset's price. By doing so, you buy more coins when prices are low and fewer when prices are high, which can help mitigate the impact of market volatility. DCA allows you to build your position over time without the stress of trying to time the market perfectly. Setting clear investment goals and understanding your risk tolerance is also crucial for successful crypto investing. Ask yourself what you hope to achieve with your investments. Are you looking for short-term gains, or are you in it for the long haul? Knowing your risk tolerance will help you make informed decisions about which cryptocurrencies to invest in and how much to allocate to each. By implementing these strategies, diversifying your portfolio, using dollar cost averaging, and setting clear goals, you can enhance your approach to crypto investing and position yourself for potential success in this exciting and rapidly evolving market. In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, staying informed is key to making smart investment decisions. To help you keep up with market trends, we recommend several reputable news sources and platforms that provide timely updates on the crypto landscape. Websites like CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, and The Block are excellent for in-depth articles, breaking news, and expert analysis. Additionally, following influential figures in the crypto space on social media platforms like Twitter can provide real-time insights and updates. To effectively track your investments and analyze market data, consider using tools like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. These platforms offer comprehensive data on price movements, market capitalization, and trading volumes for thousands of cryptocurrencies. They also provide useful features like portfolio tracking, allowing you to monitor your investments in one place. Another valuable tool is TradingView, which offers advanced charting capabilities and technical analysis tools to help you make informed trading decisions. Joining online communities can also enhance your understanding of the crypto market. Platforms like Reddit, Discord, and Telegram host active groups where enthusiasts and investors share insights, strategies, and support. Engaging with these communities can provide you with diverse perspectives and help you stay updated on the latest trends and developments. By utilizing these resources and tools, you can empower yourself to navigate the crypto market more effectively. Staying informed not only enhances your investment strategy, but also builds your confidence as you explore the exciting opportunities within the world of cryptocurrency. As we wrap up this episode, let's recap the key points we've discussed about crypto investing. We explored the fundamental principles, including the importance of diversification in your portfolio and how dollar cost averaging can help mitigate the volatility often seen in the crypto market. We also highlighted the significance of setting clear investment goals and understanding your risk tolerance to guide your investment decisions effectively. Staying informed is crucial in this rapidly evolving landscape. We shared valuable resources and tools, such as reputable news sources like CoinDesk and Cointelegraph, as well as investment tracking platforms like CoinMarketCap and TradingView. Engaging with online communities can also provide you with shared insights and support from fellow investors, enhancing your overall understanding of the market. Informed decision-making is vital when it comes to crypto investing. The more knowledge you have, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the complexities of this exciting space. Remember, investing in cryptocurrencies carries risks, but with the right strategies and information, you can position yourself for potential success. If you found this episode helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more financial wisdom. Don't forget to like and share this episode with friends and family who might also benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content for you. Thank you for listening, and we look forward to seeing you in our next episode.